Ever feel like you study English for years, but when you want to speak, your brain goes blank? You know many words, you know grammar, but when someone talks to you, you freeze, you think, wait, how do I say this? Then you translate from your language, word by word, and it's slow and stressful. You want to speak fast like native speakers, but your brain feels tired, so you stop. You stay quiet, or you just say, okay, yes, maybe. Why does this happen? It's not because you're bad at English, and it's not because you're not smart. It's because your brain is still thinking in your first language every time you speak. Your brain does this: first think in your language, then translate, then speak. That takes too long. But here's the good news. You can train your brain to think directly in English. Yes, just like kids do. And it's much easier than you think. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big words. You just need the right method. Here are 3 simple steps to help your brain think in English naturally. Step 1. Make your thoughts small. Big sentences are scary. When you try to say, yesterday I was extremely exhausted because I had many responsibilities, your brain says, too hard, so you stop. Instead, make your thoughts small, very small. Say, I was tired yesterday. Short is okay. Simple is okay. Don't try to sound smart. Try to be clear. Think like a child. For example, not, I am going to purchase some food. Say, I will buy food. Not, I am extremely hungry at this moment. Say, I'm very hungry. Small English is fast English. When sentences are small, your brain moves faster. Step 2. Create English moments every day. Don't wait for class time. Don't wait for a partner. Make small English moments in your day. When you wake up, think, good morning. When you drink water, think, I'm thirsty. When you go outside, think, it's cold today, or the sky is blue. Talk about simple things around you, your room, your food, your phone, your day. This trains your brain. It's like going to the gym one time is nothing, but every day is powerful. Little by little, English becomes natural. Step 3. Use the 2-minute thinking rule. The hardest part is starting. So promise yourself, I will think in English for just 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes, you can do anything for 2 minutes. Look around and describe things. There is a chair. My bag is black. I need to answer emails. Don't stop. Don't translate, just think. Even if your English is broken, it's okay. After 2 minutes, you will notice something funny. Your brain wants to continue. Starting is the hardest part. After that, it gets easier. Bonus tip. Talk to yourself. Yes, it sounds silly, but it works very well. Talk to yourself. When you're alone in the shower, in the car, in your room, say, what should I cook today? Maybe I'll make noodles. Then I'll watch a movie. This is safe practice. No pressure, no one listening, you can make mistakes. Freely, mistakes help your brain learn faster. Here's the truth. No one thinks in English overnight. Even fluent speakers started small. They spoke slow. They made mistakes. They sounded funny, but they kept going. Thinking in English is like building a new road in your brain. At first, it's small, just a tiny path. But every time you think in English, the road gets bigger, wider, smoother. Soon, your brain doesn't need translation anymore, it just speaks. So don't wait to be perfect, don't wait to know more words. Start now. Look around you. Think one sentence, then another. Small thoughts every day. Let's keep it simple. If you want your brain to think in English, 1. Make your sentences small. 2. Create daily English moments. 3. Think in English for just 2 minutes. That's it. Simple. Start today. Your brain is ready. Just train it. And one day, you'll open your mouth and English will come out naturally, like magic. Keep going. You can do this.